Hello everyone, how are y'all doing right now? This is part 2 of the HTML tutorial. I will be posting more parts, so be sure to not miss out of anything. And without further ado, let's dive right in. Every single HTML code must have the HTML and /HTML word in the greater than and the lower than sign, and in it you'll also need to add a body and /body word with the same signs. The head and /head word, also with the same signs, is optional though. If you use any sort of function, which here I will be using the paragraph function, in the head function and then use the same function inside the body function, as you can see, there will be a space between the paragraphs. Every web page should have a page title to describe the meaning of the page. The title should describe the content and the meaning of the page. The page title is very important for search engine optimization, SEO. The text is used by search engine algorithms to decide the order when listing pages in search results. The title element defines a title in the browser toolbar, provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites, and displays a title for the page in search engine results. Attributes always live inside the opening tag, written as a name and value pair, like src, href, class ID, or alt. For example, the src attribute tells an image tag where to find the image file, while href tells a link where it should take you. Attributes like class and ID help us target elements with CSS or JavaScript, and alt gives a text description for accessibility. Buttons use the onClick attribute to call a JavaScript function. For example, click me. When clicked, it runs my function, which could show an alert, change text, or update the page instantly. The rest of the video I will not be talking, so hope y'all enjoy the code writing. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.